I've got a fair amount of lawyers who watch these videos, and one of the things that I've continued to see and hear amongst lawyers who are actively engaging in motions is, hey, what happens whenever I win and the state appeals from that? What do I do? Well, we got some really good judges. There's kind of a small group of judges who are willing to make really difficult decisions, ones that kind of go out on a limb for you. They take a chance on you based on an issue that you present, and they're willing to go with you, even if it's somewhat questionable under existing law. When the state files an appeal from that, they're almost certainly filing an appeal to the Court of Appeals, and you absolutely need to be anticipating that that decision is probably going to be reversed. If you have a judge that is willing to go out on a limb for you, take a chance on an issue that you're raising that's somewhat questionable under existing law, but that appears to be right based on overarching principles. That judge takes a chance on you. You absolutely need to be willing to double down, commit to the effort that they have made by virtue of seeking certiorari in the Supreme Court. You need to know that that is going to be your avenue of action that you're going to have to pursue going forward. And if that judge is willing to do that for you, you also need to be willing to fight for that on appeal. So don't give up on it, and certainly don't leave the judge undefended on that appeal. Because it will, if a judge realizes that, hey, I went out on a limb for Ben to do this, kind of took a chance on an issue that seemed novel under existing law. That case went up on appeal and he just sort of gave up on it on appeal. I promise you they will not do it again. So make sure that you're committed to it before you engage in that effort. And if a judge takes that chance on you, you go ahead and fight for it all the way through. That means applying for cert to the Supreme Court. That means briefing it up before the Supreme Court. And that means ultimately arguing it before the Supreme Court. So make sure that if you're doing it, that you're willing to go ahead and follow it all the way through. Hope you guys have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you soon.